Hello everyone, this is the InStyle Knitting Studio with you. Today, we will learn to knit 2 stitches together with a right lean. That way, we will learn to decrease stitches. I have 15 stitches cast on my needle. I have knitted 2 rows in stockinette stitch, using classic stitches. How do we knit this? We have already learned. For those who missed our lessons, I will leave links for you below the video. Now we slip the first stitch onto the right needle. Let's try to knit 2 stitches together with a right lean. Insert the right needle into the second stitch on the left needle, like this, from left to right. Then insert it into the first stitch, also from left to right. That is, into both stitches at once. We pick up the working yarn. We pull both stitches off the left needle at once. We pull this working yarn and remove these 2 stitches from the left needle. We turn our work to the right. This way, we have knitted 1 stitch from 2. So we ended up with 1 stitch. This is our edge stitch, that is, we knit a classic knit stitch, but only 2 stitches together. So we insert the right needle into the second stitch, then into the first. We pick up the working yarn and pull it through these 2 stitches. We draw out the yarn. We remove it from the left needle. Now we turn our work to the right. Again, we insert the right needle into the second stitch from left to right, then into the first one also from left to right. We pick up the working yarn. We pull it through these 2 stitches and turn the work onto the right needle. This is how you knit 2 stitches together with a right lean. That way, we make a decrease. On the purl side, they are knitted as regular classic purls. At the end of knitting, we slip the edge stitch onto the right needle. Here we knit with regular classic purls. How to knit classic purls, we can already do it too. For those who still can't, please watch. There will be a link below this video. Let's take a look. Here, we decreased. That is, our stitch goes to the right. 1 stitch is on the second. Here the second stitch is hidden. Here it is hiding, and this is on top. That is, the tilt is to the right. That's all for now. We will meet in the next classes.